Hello my friends, and welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out this mouse case and a wrist rest set. Say that 10 times fast. We have a little instruction manual here, and in here we have our little area for our mouse to hide in. Let's see here, that looks like that pops up there. Just like that. It locks into place. And oh, wow, that is pretty soft. Super cushy, actually. So I think that if you had a little tiny mouse, you could hide it in there. This is for like the Apple mouses, which are super small and compact. But you can also put it in here and use it like that if you would like, and then you have a little wrist thing too, so you could put that under, and that's actually really comfortable. Instead of like sometimes you're using the mouse, like I have a mouse right here that I use for my PC, but if you have a little wrist support there, especially, this is really super comfortable. As you guys can see, it's like some kind of a, feels like a really super soft, like squishy gel thing. So it's actually quite comfortable on the wrist there to help you from like rubbing it or getting hurt on there like that. So pretty sweet, pretty comfortable, my friends. All right, so this has this little feature too. So if you are to put your Magic Mouse in there, and then you can just set this up and charge it that way on the bottom. So it's easier that way to do. So once you get your mouse in there, you close it in there. And this is just a little bit bigger area, so you can use your mouse that way. Because I think the ones that for the Apple are pretty small. So if you do want, some people are more comfortable with a little bit larger one, and they could use that a little better. And in this, in combination with your little wrist cushion here, which is super soft, I might add, then that's actually a lot better to just be able to go like this. Pretty comfortable, really cozy actually, and it'd be a nice fit for your Apple mouse. Anyways, my friends, thanks for watching. I hope this was a useful video for you guys. Have a great day, and I'll see y'all next time.